Database schema. Physical schema. Physical schema is a term used in data management to describe how data is to be represented and stored, files, indices, etc. in secondary storage using a particular database management system DBMS. Example: Oracle RDBMS, Sybase SQL Server, etc. In the ANSI, ANSI or SPARC Spark architecture 3 schema approach, the internal schema is a view of data that involve data management technology. This is as opposed to an external schema that reflects an individual's view of the data, or the conceptual schema, that is the integration of a set of external schemas. The internal schema was recognized to have 2 parts. The logical schema was the way data were represented to conform to the constraints of a particular approach to database management. At that time, the choices were hierarchical and network. Describing the logical schema, however, still did not describe how physically data would be stored on disk drives. That is the domain of the physical schema. Now, logical schemas describe data in terms of relational tables and columns, object-oriented classes, and XML tags. A single set of tables, for example, can be implemented in numerous ways, up to and including an architecture where table rows are maintained on computers in different countries. Logical schema. A logical schema is a data model of a specific problem domain expressed in terms of a particular data management technology. Without being specific to a particular database management product, it is in terms of either relational tables and columns, object-oriented classes, or XML tags. This is as opposed to a conceptual data model which describes the semantics of an organization without reference to technology, or a physical data model which describes the particular physical mechanisms used to capture data in a storage medium. The next step in creating a database after the logical schema is produced is to create the physical schema. User, workbench, metadata, data browser, query view, mapping view, schema view, manager, enumerator, competence test facility, query engine, rewriter, I/O, Prolog KB. Subschema. A subschema is a subset of the schema and inherits the same property that a schema has. The plan or scheme for a view is often called subschema. Subschema refers to an application programmer's, that is, user's view of the data item types and record types which he or she uses. It gives the users a window through which he or she can view only that part of the database which is of interest to him. Therefore, different application programs can have different view of data. Syntax for identifying the CAIDMS subschema. The illustration below shows a sample SYSIN member identifying the CAIDMS subschema in the extract program. To select specific record from a subschema, include as many REC lines as required. The pref SUFF prefix suffix is equal to no parameter removes the CAIDMS prefix or suffix added to element names from the TIBCO object service broker control table entries. The default specification for this parameter is yes. Sub EMP SS01.TSTDNWKA prefix suffix PREF SUFF is equal to no schema EMP SCHM, 100 REC S010 data dictionary name or TSTDICT dictionary subschema name, subschema, column 5, optional, record name, schema name, schema version,